Gonna be swapping out the fronts. Gonna be swapping out the front suspension because this thing is way too low. I keep hitting, I scrape it on everything pretty much, and they're not on coilovers. They're just on some springs, but I have my stock springs and shocks from my other car right here. We're gonna be sticking those on here because I don't have coilovers yet. Hello. Hello. We're gonna be putting those on because even with the coilovers, I'm gonna be running probably close to stock height because I'm gonna have that reverse rake, get some grip to the back. Because right now it has regular rake, the front's lower than the back. I'll just drive nicer, but it'll do for now until I could get a set of coilovers. And it's just held on with a bunch of zip ties. Let that one come off. Oh, there we go. Oh, gotta turn the wheel more. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god, this is a mission just to take this off. To just break this thing off. What is holding me? Excuse me. Oh. Test drive. It looks a lot better. I like how it looks already. It looks better with it raised a little bit. Oh yep, barely scraped right there, and I didn't even angle it that much. If I did that with the other springs, would have scraped for sure. Way worse. I actually like that look a lot better. It looks better like that, right? I think so. And it's easier to drive around.
like that low light.